If you're a tech enthusiast who's in the market for a brand new keyboard but can't seem to decide between a full size and a 65% layout, you've come to the right place. Today I'm here to break down the pros and cons of each option and help you make an informed decision. This showdown is going to be a doozy, so buckle up and let's dive right in. First, let's take a step back and understand what makes mechanical keyboards stand out from the rest. Unlike traditional rubber dome keyboards, mechanical keyboards use individual mechanical switches for each key. This provides a much more satisfying typing experience with tactile and audible feedback that makes typing a joy. Now let's dive into the main event. Full-size keyboards are the standard, offering all the keys you need for work or gaming, including a numeric keypad and function row. They are perfect for those who need those extra keys for work or gaming and want a standard layout. On the other hand, 65% mechanical keyboards are a more compact option that sacrifices some of the function keys and the numeric keypad to save space. They are ideal for those who are looking for a more portable option that's easy to transport and store. Let's break down the showdown into three categories: typing speed, portability, and overall design. For typing speed, both full-size and 65% keyboards perform equally well. However, if you need a numeric keypad, the full-size keyboard is the clear winner as it has all the standard keys you expect. In terms of portability, the 65% keyboard are the way to go. They are lighter, more compact, and easier to transport, giving you a more flexible workspace. However, 65% keyboards may have a different key layout that takes some time to get used to. It's important to consider this before making a purchase.
Hey, check this out. I just hacked into the mainframe using this keyboard.
No way. This isn't a sponsored video, is it?
Of course not. I just happen to be a keyboard warrior.
Oh, I was afraid we were going to have to do a commercial break and plug this thing.
Nah, we'll save that for the sequel. The keyboard hacking. The mainframe strikes back.
Sounds like a classic. Can't wait to see that one.
Hello.
Finally, the price. Both full-size and the 65% keyboards can range from $50 to hundreds of dollars depending on the brand, switches, and features. You can get a good keyboard for a great price, but it's also important to consider the long-term investment and durability of the product you're buying into. So, which one is the champion? The answer is, as you might have guessed, depends on your needs and personal preferences. Full-size keyboards are ideal for those who need a numeric keypad or function row, while the 65% keyboards are perfect for those who want a smaller, more portable option. For me, I tend to go with the 65% keyboard as my daily driver, mainly because I have limited desk space here. However, when I need to use applications like the Unreal Editor or Blender, I switch over to the full-size keyboard to maximize my productivity. In conclusion, both keyboards have their strengths and weaknesses, but at the end of the day, it is up to you to decide which one suits your needs the best. Whether you're a gamer, designer, or writer, there's a keyboard out there for you. Don't forget to check out these two videos for a more in-depth look at the keyboards we have discussed in this video. My name is Joe, and as always, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll catch you in the next one.